Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to unbox and review OnePlus Buds. So let's check out whether the product is worth buying or not. So this is our main component, OnePlus Buds. Let's keep it aside and see what are the extra things that comes with the box. As you can see, it was written set your music free, quite tightly attached with the box. Let's see on opening it what are the extra things. So here we have our user manuals and some safety rules mentioned, which are generally ignored. And other thing that is in the box is type C charging cable. Giving type C charging cable nowadays makes charging very easy. Like while traveling, we do not need to carry extra set of cables for charging our earpods, because most of the phones now support type C charging cable. If we talk about the design of the box, we can see at the back side of the box we have mentioned designed by OnePlus, and then we have at the back side a button. If we talk about its front side, we have a LED light at the front of the box. Inside the box we can see we have a glossy finish. The earpods are also very glossy in finish. You can see they are very lightweight and very smooth to touch. No doubt OnePlus has tried to give earbuds a very premium look. We can see the case is oval in shaped with a matte finish. The opening and closing of the box is very impressive. It seems to a great extent that OnePlus has tried to copy design from AirPods, the LED light, and even the interior design of the case as well. But I must say, after using AirPods for a few months, stains and dirt marks cannot easily be removed. But this is not the case with OnePlus. They are much more better in these terms. Quite easy to clean and glossy finish remains same even on rough use. If I talk of earpieces, AirPods are far more comfortable than OnePlus Buds. I mainly felt this because the extended section in the earlobe of OnePlus Bud makes it quite uneasy. But yes, in this price range, OnePlus, the comfortability and design that it has gave is much more acceptable. I must say, OnePlus earbuds are much more functionable with OnePlus phone as compared to other brand phones. Let us see for the first time how we can pair OnePlus earbuds. So we can see option of OnePlus Buds. We have to pair them, and then we can see we have percentage mentioned of left earbud, right earbud, and overall OnePlus Bud case. We can also attend phone calls with OnePlus Buds by tapping it for around 3 seconds. And then we can customize the function clicking on our OnePlus Buds as our wish. Like we can double click on left earbud, I have customized it for voice assistant, right earbud for next track. The earbuds have many more functions. Like it have autoplay pause option. It automatically removes the music being played when we remove the earbuds. It do have find location option. Like when we misplace our headset, we can find them by playing audio. Let's check out how the functions work. Double click on left earbud. We can see it opens voice assistant. Now let's play music. We can see on removing earbud it automatically stops the music. We can see on double clicking the right earbud, it changes the song. The next track is being played. We can see the responses are very quick. These buds comes with 430 mAh battery. Although with this large battery size, the size of the earbuds are very compact. Its battery life is around 7 hours and it goes 30 hours with the case. Most important thing is that it supports fast charging. The large size 13.4 mm driver boosts the sound quality to a great extent. If I talk of its range, it's around 10 meter. Most importantly, the low latency mode has helped this earbuds to perform very well for gaming purpose. Most importantly, it has also got IPv4 certification. No doubt, you can definitely go for these earbuds under 5000 for the best experience. If you want to opt for this product, you can find the buying link in the description. If you find the video informative, please like, subscribe, and guys, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.